Good morning, everyone. I don't know what I'm saying. Hold on. Good morning, fans. Becca Mu here. Today I'm going to be cleaning out this keelboat. The inside gets a little moldy, especially with the humidity here in Florida, but it's a nice, beautiful morning. I thought I'd come a little early, eat my bagel, watch the sunrise, which is happening right now, so it's going to be a pretty calm video, nothing crazy. I think someone lives in that boat, so they're probably staring at me. It's fine. But yeah, we're just gonna clean it out for the race season, starting up soon in a month and some change. Actually, no, I think in a couple weeks. So we're trying to get more people used to it. Someone's getting checked out today. Just cleaning it up. There's nothing in it. It's not a beautiful boat on the inside because the less weight you have, the faster you go. Just common sense, I think. It's nice outside. It's really nice. It's kind of cold, so. We'll see. We'll see it. Veggie, egg, bagel. While we're waiting for the sun to rise, I just wanted to thank everyone so far. The sun is up. Yay! Life is good. I don't want to jinx it, but it's all good. Well, the sun is up. I think soon to be hidden by a layer of fog, but it's time to get to work. So let's get it. Basically everything else out too.
How much water was
Hello.
down there?
Guess what I found? Oh my god, ow. How much what?
How much water is down there?
None to be.
No.
Why can't it focus on the lizard? I can't even see the camera to be honest. Oh, it's in the sun. Okay, well anyways. Found a lizard. Again.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna go let this guy be free. There's a sorry.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
He's right there.
It's so cute. Aww. It's so wholesome. Look, I can just pinch it with my fingers. My work pants. This here. Uh-oh. That's not good. That's fine. talking about. It's definitely everything.
we do a trip to an island down by Ponce Inlet.
I'm down for that.
Nothing pretty good.
Guys, they're fresh. You want any fruit? They're super good.
I do.
Right, don't show the Navy part.
So the name is what?
And it worked.
Well, I couldn't come out last semester because of the class schedule. That's why.
Welcome aboard. Thank you for choosing a Nexus Multi Extra Large